Guys, what's up? We're doing another video this time. It's like a selfie. It is so much fun. I'm just going to walk to the living room, which is kind of nice. Enjoy. Please make sure you like the videos that are here. He went on my iPad and flew there. It's I am the king of all birds. There's a bird shadow. And oh, he's so cute. What's on my eye? What's on my eye? My nose just touched the screen. Oh man, it's so bright right now. Girl, what's up, girl? We can play Need for Speed Hot Pursuit, Crash that 5, Most Wanted, my brother's games. I sometimes play Crash that 5. Minecraft Story Mode? Nah, definitely not. I couldn't record. Universe? Cars to FIFA 16 or yeah, it's more here. There is I'm not going to show you. There is Plants vs Zombies Garden Warfare. There's the Lego Movie video game. There's Lego Jurassic World. There's FIFA 12. FIFA. Nah, I don't know what the other one. There's Medieval Modes. FIFA 15. My Fitness Coach Club. What else is there? What other PlayStation? $5. So guys, it's just a TV show. Let's see. Ooh, this is a tiny plane. Vroom, vroom. Whoopsies. Woo. Come on. Did you see that fast lightning thing? Enjoy. Please make sure you like Blue and make sure you subscribe, Blue. Hey, he loves to beg you. Come on, Blue. Oh man, he's going to poo on my iPad. That's his tail. Okay, bye.